These chicken tacos were a hit. If you make these for your next Taco Tuesday, I guarantee you will not regret it. I'm going to show you how we did it. It's very simple, very easy. We used 5 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we cut them into little strips, just like this. We chopped up some green onions, cilantro, white onions, and jalapeños. And we also left some of the seeds in there to give these tacos a slight kick. And while we are seasoning the chicken, let me give a quick shout out to my husband, David Griffin, for making these delicious tacos. He cooks as well, okay? And he is on YouTube also. So be sure to check him out. I'll leave a card somewhere at the top so that after you watch this video, go ahead and stop by his channel and check him out. Also, be sure to check the description box below because I will list all of the ingredient measurements there, so you don't have to guess at how much seasoning you'll need. We used 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we sauteed the chicken on medium-high heat for just a few minutes. After that, with the chicken still in the pot, we added the jalapeno, white onion, green onion, and cilantro. Then we cooked everything together until the chicken was cooked all the way through and those onions were softened. Listen, if you really want your tacos to come out and just be so amazing, it's imperative that you use high quality Masa Harina when making the tortillas. Check out the brand that we use. I think this brand just makes some of the best tortillas ever. Okay, we only needed about 2 cups of Masa Harina to make to make about 18 to 20 tortillas. We added a nice pinch of salt as well as some warm water. Anytime you begin to mix dough, it's just going to begin to get a little sticky. Just do as shown here. We mixed everything together. We did a little kneading and we formed it into a ball, and we added it to our tortilla press to flatten the masa into perfectly shaped tortillas. And finally, we cooked them using just a little oil on our griddle heated to high. And yeah, it was just that simple, just that easy, y'all. This was so easy. Lime juice, fresh onions, and fresh cilantro really brought these tacos together. It was a great finishing touch. These tacos were so delicious. I hope that you guys will try them, and I really hope that you'll like them. No, I'm pretty sure you'll like them. So be sure to click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.